Have you ever come across sites offering easy money with no skills required? It sounds tempting, right? But are they reliable? Let's do some reality checks here. Do you think that anyone can earn money that easily? Any person you know around you who is financially stable has given a lot of time to earn that money. Money doesn't come that easy unless you are too lucky to have won a lottery prize. Any lawyer, chartered accountant, engineer, or a doctor near you must have given at least 5 to 7 long years of their life acquiring a degree. A businessman has given his sweat and blood to establish a business. An artist or an interior designer has given a lot of time developing or sharpening their skills. Do you feel that you can earn a lot of money without a degree? Yes, you can. But how? Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to your YouTube channel. I am Rishi and I'm here again to have an interesting discussion. Wondering how can I be the right person to help you? I have successfully earned over $40,000 from freelancing platforms in the last 2 years, and my journey to reach this milestone was surprisingly swift. Within just 4 to 5 days, I landed my first freelancing job, and ever since, I have been consistently progressing without any regrets. Today, I am among the top 10% of the service providers on Upwork. This roller coaster journey of mine has given me invaluable first-hand experience, making me the ideal person to inspire you and provide insightful lessons from my own mistakes. In my videos, you will find motivation and guidance you would need to excel in the freelancing world. Some freelancers took 4 to 5 months to land their first job, but now have earned over $200,000 within the period of 5 years, and there are several such success stories. The numbers looks amazing, right? If you want to be the one of those persons, stick to the video till the end to become successful in the freelancing world. There are several freelancing websites that have numerous opportunities, but to find the suitable one for you is a task. It is not as easy as everyone on the internet portrays it to be. When I started my journey, I also watched several videos on YouTube, but very few showed the real deal. There are several aspects that we are not aware at the start of the freelancing journey. First and foremost, it is crucial to understand that freelancing should not be regarded as casual or a part-time work. It demands an equal level of seriousness and dedication from your side if you genuinely aspire to secure high quality job opportunities. There is a sea of opportunity, but only if you know to swim. The popular 5 freelancing websites currently are Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com, Guru, and TopTill, and the list is really big, but you have to choose which is the most suitable for you as per your field. In my case, Upwork worked really well, while Fiverr and freelancer.com didn't help me much. This can be different for you. You need to do some trial and error on your part. Moreover, the key factors are consistency and patience. You need to keep patience, a lot of patience actually, because landing your first job might take little time. Now, it is crucial to possess a set of essential skills to succeed in freelancing. These commonly include strong written and verbal English communication skills, marketing skills, effective time management, to name a few. It is very important to understand that without acquiring these skills, earning potential can be limited. I'm not trying to discourage you. I'm emphasizing the truth that skills play a significant role in freelancing success. Fortunately, in today's interconnected world, acquiring new skills have become incredibly accessible thanks to the vast resource available on the internet. Thus, you have ample opportunities to learn and develop the necessary skills to thrive in the freelancing journey. In addition to acquiring the fundamental skills, it is essential to learn field-specific skills as well. Let's consider a couple of examples to illustrate this point. If you are seeking an accountant job, it is crucial to familiarize yourself with accounting software such as QuickBooks, Xero, and others. On the other hand, if you are a website developer, mastering the usage of platforms like WordPress is indispensable. Fortunately, The resources needed to learn these skill sets are readily available to you without the need of significant financial investment. By dedicating some time and effort, you can access a wealth of knowledge on platforms like YouTube. You will find a vast array of tutorials and guides that can help you acquire the necessary skills to excel in your chosen field. I'm dropping links to some popular YouTube channels where you can learn a skill of your interest. Also, if you want me to tell you about any other field, drop your queries in the comment section. I will answer all of them. Even if you're not perfect with the required skills, I would request you to start the journey. The journey will itself be a teacher. Start your journey today and learn the skills alongside, and then you are ready to get hired. Let's move to the most important section of this video. Know your customers. Knowing and understanding your target clients and their countries is crucial for securing work opportunities. Most hiring clients are based in countries like the USA, UK, Canada, Singapore, Australia, and the UAE. Possessing the fundamental skills we discussed earlier is essential for successfully obtaining work from clients in these regions. The another KYC you need to focus on is know your competitors. Freelancing is a global competition, so it is crucial to be proactive to find great job opportunities. Your competitors include other freelancers offering similar services or skills. Freelancing platforms offer features that allow freelancers to be ranked or rated higher, affecting their visibility and competitiveness. Offshore freelancers from countries with lower cost of living may offer their services at lower rates. The local freelancers of different countries and agencies owners. Now, to succeed in a competitive freelancing world, it's crucial to differentiate yourself. Showcase your unique skills and experiences. Provide exceptional service to clients. Build a strong portfolio. Establish a positive reputation through reviews and testimonials. And last but not the least, consistently upgrading your skills to stay relevant in the market. Networking, marketing, and maintaining strong client relationships can also help you stand out from the competition. I have some exciting news to share with you. I'll be launching a comprehensive series of Upwork tutorials to help you succeed as a freelancer. In this series, we will cover various topics, right from creating a compelling profile, finding the perfect job descriptions, setting competitive rates for your work, writing a winning proposal, among many others. Excited? Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. And if you found this video useful, do not forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching today's video.